HZ150 is strongest crimping and swagging machine. Provide a variety of larger mold sets, power, speed and precision combined in one machine. It is specially used by professional assembly personnel in hose batch production. OEM hose assembly workshop and large maintenance activities. It can be used when high-speed production is needed. Dispenser with patented quick change tool equipped. Famous brand PLC control with 8-inch color touch screen display. Double speed operation. Self-lubricating moving components. Silent pump low noise. Dual clock fixed position of the die for greater stability of the hose during crimping. Particularly narrow crimping head to crimp hose ends with large flanges or 90-degree fittings. It is convenient to buckle the special shaped elbow protractor for orientation fittings. Hydraulic power pack included. High capacity, accurate, step on the joint to save time.